Hello everyone, today I present a special pocket watch. Beautiful Verge Fusee Thomas Whitt. It is most likely not an original example by this watchmaker, but rather a Swiss imitation which, at the time, became known as Dutch Forgeries. But what exactly were they? The so-called Verge Dutch Forgeries were 18th century pocket watches with Verge escapements that imitated English watches from London. Although they carried the names of English watchmakers and the inscription London, many of these watches were not produced in England. In reality, a large number were manufactured in continental European watchmaking centers, particularly in Switzerland. These watches were then exported to the Dutch market and to other parts of northern Europe such as Sweden and Denmark, where the reputation of English watchmaking was highly valued. To increase buyers' confidence and facilitate sales, manufacturers engraved English names, often fictitious, on the movements and dials. Despite the term forgeries, these were not modern counterfeits, but genuine 18th century watches. In essence, they represent a common commercial practice of the time and also an important step in the development of European watch production. In the end, it remains a beautiful example of watchmaking, with its own history, and one that is highly sought after by collectors today. Thank you for watching until the end of the video of this wonderful Verge Fusee. Comment with your opinion, and give the video a like if you enjoyed him.